Hey, what's up, buddy? How doing? I hope you're doing great. I'm Viren Bablu, and I'm again here practicing my English. So you can see it's my open place field area. I come here daily to practice my spoken English. So this time again, and so guys, it's today very cloudy day, and it can be rain very soon. So you can see it's a very cloudy, big cloud, and you can see people very afraid that if rained, so some crops damage, and yeah, that's why some people are burning the wheat plants, the left wheat plant, because it's cut by machine and left extra. So people burn it out because if got rained, so it not be good and it will be harmful for crops. And so you can see there is a farmer burning his wheat extra. So you can see like this, and this farmer didn't burn now. And yeah, so you can see today I'm different area, and here quite greenery. So you can see this is all sugarcane plants, and it's quite greenery here, and also this plant, and here is some other vegetable farm. So I came here to practice my English, and I do daily practice, guys, because without practice you can't speak very well. And this time it's my fifth session, and I did also very many sessions, but I'm doing regularly this, and my fluency is increasing. You can feel the fluency, and oh my God, that's increasing the burning, the extra, and it's I can hear here, and yeah, that's very good. If you do daily practice makes you perfect everything. So that's why I'm learning. So I'm trying to speak English better, so that's why I do daily practice. And guys, you can go wherever you have open place. There no one can stop you, no one can judge you, so you can speak. And I also doing here, because here no one come, and no one looking at me, no one judging me. Otherwise, when I speak in the public, some people stare me, and some people stop me. Hey, how did you learn that? And all thing happens in middle of the practice or middle of the conversation when I speak. So that's why I prefer open space, and that's why I prefer to open, and no one was there. So you can see, and also you can explain everything when you will explain, so you don't have to bother not come in my mind the sentences what to say. Whatever you find, you speak and explain everything. Like I'm here practicing my English. Here you can see cloudy day, and here you can see field. It's a wheat plants, and there's a sugarcane plant, and there's a vegetable farm. There's a tube well, and anything like that, what you see, and explain everything. And I'm sure your English will be improved very soon. That's why my English is getting much and much better every day. And because when I was started, I was stuttering middle of this, not come in my mind sentences, and even not come out my mouth. So I was quite afraid, and I was irritated and nervous, because I can't express myself. I can't speak. But my resolution was that I have to at least speak 10 minutes. So I did whatever come in my mind, I speak. So that's very good. And if you speak yourself, and you if you record your mobile phone, so it's very good. You can evaluate, you can see your mistakes later, so you can find your mistakes and solve that mistakes later. So that's I do. I after that record, I see my video, and it's my process to edit, and I see my video and write down some mistakes. I do many mistakes, so I write down and improve that mistakes for next time. So that's why my English is getting every day it's much better. And also, guys, you can feel that I'm a little bit my accent also, because I love the American accent, and I'm trying to speak like a native. So that's why I'm learning a little bit accent as well. So It's very good if you speak like a native, so it's quite attractive and it's much fluent. So that's why I'm learning, and that's why I love to speak like pro, like a native. So that's why I also do. And yeah, so you can see here it's quite drizzling, like a little bit. It's drenching my mouth, and yeah, whatever. I'll do my 10 minutes regulation. So I'm doing here, and you can see I came here, and today it's quite cloudy, so I didn't go that area. Otherwise, we have many areas. One area and the other area there also I go regularly because there's quite far from, so I didn't go there today. And here you can see it's quite green area. So here some people, some farmers come, and they stop, they look at me, and there are some looking also. So that's why I don't prefer here. I prefer that area, and I'm doing my work. Whatever look at me, and whatever people thought, I'm doing my work. So when you will speak, you will stop in the middle of this because not come in mind what to say in 10 minutes regular. I also feel that not what to say, what come in my mind the next. So that's why I just roaming here and there and find some topics to explain everything. There you can see some farmers, some goat grazer, all. They are looking at me that what is doing, and yeah, I'm doing my work, and some farmers are coming as well. So whatever, let's go there somewhere and feel what's going on there. And yeah, but when I'm going to this way, everyone looking at me what's doing, because I'm taking my mobile, and everyone looking at me. So I'm not gonna that way because they are looking at me, and I'm not feeling quite well. So let's go back at the same place, and there's a good place, and there are also a serve, and there's a little jungle there. So you can see there are lots of farming here. Here you can see pulse, like urad pulse, and many other types of vegetable farms here. You can see it's a very far. So now guys, today's I got my regulation 10 minutes, and you can increase your fluency if you have time. So if you comfortable much, so you can increase your time 12 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. How much you practice your fluency will increase very soon. So, and after much better thing that you have to evaluate your fluency. You see your video, and after that write down some mistakes, because you will do many mistakes. I also, and I evaluate my fluent spoken journey, and I write down all and learn that mistakes. So you can see all around the cloud, but not raining. It's good not rain, because otherwise I have to go home. Not coming in my mind what to say, what to explain. So you can see it's now quite early to irrigate this farm. Otherwise it's a quite wet area, and you can see the greenery, and it's a quite good sugar cane. So you can see it's now baby sugar canes, and here you can see many weeds. You can see it's all weeds, and the people here spray some pesticides for improving their crops. So guys, I completed my today's session, and yeah, it's quite good, and it's increasing my fluency. And today I completed very fast, because when I was started early, and there was much stoppage, but nowadays I am quite fluent, and I get quite fast. So it's very good if you do daily. Otherwise it's take time. So I think if you do only 30 sessions 1 month, and you'll see huge impact in your English journey, and I'm sure you will be fluent, because it's my 5 to 6 session, and now I am feeling that my fluency is quite good. I survive everywhere, and I can communicate anybody. When I communicate I met many foreigners as well. I feel like they say your English is quite good, and then I feel comfortable. But here when I speak for like a lesson or like a video, so I can't explain much better. So that's why I am improving my this area to best communication and to show my feelings, everything. So that's why I'm doing, and yeah, I did, and again, so it's like my blog, and I see my area, my field area. So I'm gonna wrap up this blog here. Please let me know if I did any mistakes, and please correct me as well, because I'm learning, so I can mistake. So it's my pleasure if you correct any mistakes, and what should do improve for my video, and anything you can comment, you can suggest to me. So guys, it's very nice to meet you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.